Hi, in this video I will show you how I made 26,000 by doing swing trading. You will learn what is the logic behind this trade and what is the trade setup in this trade. Let's swing in this video. So the stock taken for the swing trade is Adani Ports. So in the higher time frame, like say in a daily time frame, the stock was looking like this. So you can see the top, the red color line on the top here, just highlighted now, is the resistance line. You can see that the price has seen the resistance, has faced the resistance in these points here, face resistance here and rejected, and the resistance and rejected, and it has faced the resistance and rejected, but this time it has given a breakout. So the stock was looking like this in a higher time frame, that is in a daily time frame. So for swing trade I choose time frame as a 1 hour time frame. So let us see how this stock looks in a 1 hour time frame. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame now. So let me zoom out to show you how the setup is looking now. So again let me mark quickly the resistance line. So the price has rejected here, the price has rejected here, faced resistance and came down. The price has rejected from the resistance line and came down, but here the price has given a breakout and now it has gone up. So the trade setup is like this. So if you see, here is the moving average. Let me highlight. This is the moving average band. This is the moving average band. So you can see the price has given a pullback and it is now moving in the direction of the uptrend. So this is the setup. So again I'll explain you. This is the moving average band, the blue one. The blue one is a moving average band. The price has given a pullback here and then it started moving higher in the uptrend. So in a 1 hour time frame I given entry at this point here. Let me mark out there. So exactly in this point I given the entry. Why? Because this is the previous day high. So once the price has crossed this previous day high, my entry point was just in this area. My entry point was just in this area. So I given an entry and then we know that there is a resistance line here. Let me just thicken it. This is the resistance line shown in red color. So my entry point is here and the immediate resistance where the price is going to get rejected is here. So I also have to keep this in mind. So I given my entry here. So let us see what is the risk reward ratio for this trade. So here is the entry point. My stop loss is just below the previous day candle low. Here is the stop loss, just below this, not more than that. And the risk to reward ratio was, I'm expecting the target just near the resistance line. So the resistance line is here, red color. So my immediate target would be up to the resistance line. So what is the risk reward ratio I am getting for this trade? The risk reward ratio I am getting for this trade is almost 1:6.5. The risk reward ratio I am going to get, you can see from the graph that I am getting 1:6.4. This is actually the very good risk to reward ratio. So I given an entry in this point. So after giving entry in this point here, after giving entry in this point here, the momentum was very good and in this 1 hour candle itself I was getting a good profit and I was able to reach my target here almost. So I closed in this region. So I closed my trade in this region itself. So I closed my trade in this region area. So this is how I made 26,500 in Adani Ports swing trade. I like to read your comments below what you think about this video, and you can suggest me what is the stock you want me to analyze for the next swing trade.